Hello guys, today I'm sharing you a very unique recipe for Mediterranean part of the world. This is the most exotic and healthier breakfast you could ever have. It is very simple way to make it. I travel a lot, and when I was at that part of the world, I have learned that why those people they live healthy and longer life. And this is kind of ingredient, this is kind of breakfast they eat almost every other day, and I see that how healthy it is or how natural it is without any artificial ingredients. So I'm going to share you that today, and I believe that you're going to love it. All you need for that, you need pomegranate, you need granola. Granola you need it because there is a natural oat in that, and oat is very good for your healthier life. Oat is all natural. These are goji berries, which is a superfood. Chia seed as well. Chia seed class is one of the superfood in the world. Almonds, strawberries and blueberries and bananas, and Greek honey. And now I'm going to show you that how we can make this breakfast. Granola and almonds. Once it's done, you can put that into this. After that, you can take strawberries and blueberries, bananas, everything is organic. Two bananas are enough. You can add little milk into that, otherwise, because if you're going to shake it, it's not going to shake very well. So very little milk. And after that, once it's ready, you can see this is kind of a smoothie, but it's very thick. You add that into the granola and almond that's crushed. So you can add that into this. After that, you can add chia seeds into this and pomegranate. And you can add yogurt into this. Last but not the least, you add honey on top of it. It's very thick honey. You can add honey as per required. It's up to your taste how much honey you want. And on top of it, you will add some goji berries. And here you go, your breakfast is ready. It's very healthy, delicious, and all natural ingredients. Nothing artificial into that, no sugar at all. It's very simple to make, and it's very healthy as well. Hope you like my video. Please do not forget to click on subscribe button as well. Thank you very much.